Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna be doing a headband wig install and review. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe and turn on your notification bell to be notified when I upload. Help your girl get to 500 subscribers by the end of this year, and we are almost at 450 subscribers. If you are not new, welcome back to another video. So I got my hair in like two like ponytails or whatever, and I tried to get it as flat as I could, but now I'm doing my edges and I'm using this edge control from the beauty supply store, and I'm using this brush to like scope my edges or whatever, I don't know. And I'm not good at doing my edges. This was like my first time doing them, but I have been practicing, and like I practiced the day before, but I'm just trying to do them the best way that I could. So, but I think I did a pretty good job trying to like do them. If you guys have any tips on how to do like edges, comment down below. Like, I really suck at doing them. So the wig came in this little packet thingy that says synthetic wig on it, and it came with a cap as usual, and it came with 2 free extra like headbands, and it was like randomly picked, but I like both of them. And this is what the wig looks like, and it's blonde, of course. So this is what the wig looks like. It's pretty long. I think it's 26 inches or 25 inches, but this is what the little headband thingy looks like. And it got 3 combs, 2 in the front and 1 in the back, and it got adjustable straps to it, I think. But when I put this on, like, I didn't know like how to put it on, which way to put it on, but I just tried to like put it on, and it was a little difficult at first because it was tight. So I only put a comb in the back, and the other combs I just left out because it was already tight and I didn't want it to make it tighter. But the headband strap, you just strap it in the back, and this is what it looks like after I installed it. And I do like it, and as you can see, it's like lighter than my original hair color, but it's whatever, it still look pretty and I like it. I know I'm saying "and" a lot, but I'm just trying to get the point across. But I do like the way it looks, and it's like a wavy curly texture, and I like it. It didn't have that much shedding, and this is probably one of the best Amazon wigs that I ever bought. But I'm just combing out the hair and like detangling it, and it wasn't hard to like detangle. It was like pretty soft and smooth. So this is how long it is. It goes to like the tip of my butt kind of, but it's pretty long. It's like not too long, but I like it, like the length and stuff. But I really like this wig. It's like one of the best, and I was really feeling myself that day. Like this wig was definitely giving what it needed to give. And but you can do like all kinds of hairstyles with this. You can like put it up in a highlight ponytail, in a bun and stuff. So that's what I like about it. Like most wigs you can't do stuff with, but this one is pretty cool. And I was just trying to create the hairstyle that I saw on the website, so that's what I was trying to do. What made me get a headband wig was my mom. She had one and it looked nice on her, so I wanted to get one, and I saw that other people was getting headband wigs, so I just wanted to try one out, and I really like it. But this is a really nice wig, and it's giving like my girl summer baddie vibes, so I was like really like feeling myself that day. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and if this video gets to 10 likes or more, I will do another video.